Our next problem we're going to go over is on page 372, problem number 4. Determine whether each event is impossible, unlikely as not, likely, or certain. Then tell whether the probability is 0, close to 0, a half, close to 1, or 1. And in this problem, what they're trying to figure out is it says picking a number less than 15 from a jar with papers labeled from 1 to 12. Okay, so on this one, let's imagine we've got this jar. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw a jar in. So let's draw a really big jar. So here's our jar. And inside this jar, we've got some numbers. And they're labeled from 1 to 12. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so they're all inside this jar. And the question that they're asking on this one is, what's the probability of the chances are of you picking a number less than 15? Okay, so a number less than 15. Well, if we take a look at our numbers that we have here, we're checking to see if they're less than 15. Well, 1 is less than 15, 2, and we go through this whole list, 7, 8, 9, all the way to 12. They're all going to be less than 15. So out of the 12 numbers, we have 12 out of 12 that are less than 15. So probability wise, if we divide those two numbers, we would have a probability of 1. And if we go back to our number line, that kind of helped us out with our figuring out whether or not it was impossible or certain. Remember, 0 told you it was impossible. And then if we go all the way over to the right, that's where our probability of 1 is. And when we have a probability of 1, we know that we have a probability that is certain to occur. So in this case, probability is 1, and our answer is going to be certain. Okay, hopefully that helped you tonight.